the father who's here today decided to turn his phone on, the phone of his deceased son. And when he did, he discovered text messages that were coming across that phone. Now, this father brought this to police. He brought this information, and this is why citizens getting involved is so important. I asked him to be here today to make sure he understood what he was able to do for law enforcement by providing that information. But it's essential. This is a partnership between us and the community.